As in our previous video, we are learning about when to use punctuation in relation to adjective clauses. Let's look at another example. 1. The 3 campuses of Montgomery College, comma, which attract a diverse student body, comma, are located in Maryland. 2. There are many colleges which attract a diverse student body. Why are there commas around the adjective clause in the first example, but no commas around the adjective clause in the second example? In the sentences above, we have the exact same adjective clause in yellow, but the first comes after a proper noun, Montgomery College, and the second after a common noun, colleges. If we delete the adjective clause in the second example, the sentence would read, there are many colleges. Clearly, the adjective clause contains essential information that we need in order to know which colleges we are talking about. When the adjective clause is essential, we do not surround it with commas. There is one other rule that is important to remember. Do not use the word that if your adjective clause is surrounded by commas. Use the word which instead. Montgomery College, comma, that has the best professors, comma, is the college I want to attend. Is this correct? No. Montgomery College, comma, which has the best professors, comma, is the college I want to attend. Yes.
Amanda LeBlanc, Assistant Professor, English Language for Academic Purposes, Montgomery College.
Subscribe to this channel and be on the lookout for new videos.